Reality Hub runs as a web service. No local software installation is required. One easy-to-access interface for your entire team from any web browser. Every user is connected to the same environment simultaneously. Every change is visible to all, instantly. Multiple users can access, modify, and collaborate within the same system at the same time. What one user changes, another can see, adjust, or build on in real time. This is what Reality Hub is built for. In Lino Playout, one user may run lower thirds, while another runs full-screen graphics, each working in their own rundown on the same show, simultaneously in real time. Or, while one user runs the current live broadcast, another may prepare an upcoming show, configuring its channels and playouts. During preparation, an engineer may configure camera settings in Nodograph. A graphics designer may build templates in Form Builder, all at the same time in the same node graph.